Hello and welcome to the channel, or welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about why people stop listening to you and how to fix it fast. Ever notice people stop listening to you even when you're saying something important? It's probably not your voice or your confidence. Most people lose their audience because they start talking before giving listeners a reason to care. They lead with information instead of intent. And the moment your listeners don't know why you're speaking, their attention drifts. Here's the fix. Lead with relevance, not content. Before you explain anything, answer one silent question in their mind. Why should I listen to this? Use this simple structure in any conversation or presentation. Number one, you want to state the outcome. Here's what this will help you do. Name the problem. Here's what usually goes wrong. Then explain the solution. When people know the destination, they follow the journey. Instead of saying, let me explain how this process works, try, this will save you time, prevent mistakes, and make your decision easier. Now you have their attention. If people stop listening, don't talk louder, talk clearer. If you want to communicate like a professional, not just speak, follow this channel. And if you like my video, like it and subscribe, and make sure you turn on the notifications so you're aware of any future videos I put out. Thank you for stopping by.